This trick with pantyhose really works. Do it once and you'll save money and stress. Take one pair of pantyhose. They can be old and any color. Soak them thoroughly under running water. They need to be fully saturated. That's very important. Then fold them into a square and put them in the freezer for several hours. The material should be completely frozen. Once frozen, take them out of the freezer. Lay them out on the counter. Now cut the material. Keep only the leg sections. Use scissors to cut them into thin, even strips. Use all of it. Every inch counts. Once the strips are ready, roll each one between your hands. Repeat this for every strip. This simple step will give the material a new shape and elasticity. This way, you'll create reusable, soft hair ties that are gentle on the scalp and perfect for summer. Store them in your toiletry bag. Not only will you save money, but you'll also give a second life to an old pair of pantyhose. Try it once and you'll never throw any away again. You've been storing your dishes wrong your whole life. Instead of stacking glasses directly on top of each other, turn the second one upside down. This way, the next glass will fit easily. When it comes to mugs, don't just set them side by side. Nest one mug inside the other with the handle facing in. This lets you fit more mugs in less space. It's an easy way to save a lot of room in your kitchen cabinet. Scratched plates can be restored with a simple home trick. Before you stash them at the back of the cupboard and invest in new dishes, you should try this method. You might not realize it, but toothpaste is an excellent remedy for removing scratches, not only from plates and similar dishes, but also from cutlery. Toothpaste has numerous cleaning properties that can be utilized in various ways. To remove scratches from a plate using toothpaste, you'll first need a toothbrush. Squeeze some toothpaste onto the brush and then rub it into the scratched area. Scrub the plate in circular motions to gently smooth out the uneven surface. Once you're done, wipe off the toothpaste with a paper towel. Your plates will look as good as new. With this trick, you'll never have to throw away scratched dishes again. Use an empty water jug to save space in your fridge with this simple hack. In a few easy steps, you'll create more room for your favorite foods. Start with an empty water jug and cut it into 4 parts. You'll need 2 strips and the bottom of the jug. The top part with the cap can be discarded or kept to cover snacks on a table or patio to protect them from insects. Next, prepare 3 plates for your food. I used 1 plate for apples. Place 1 strip of the jug around the plate with apples, ensuring all the fruits are inside the strip. Then, place another plate on top. I use this one for sliced oranges. Again, place a strip of the jug around this plate. Now it's time for the top tier. I placed a cake on the last plate and put it on top of the previous layers. Finally, cover the plate with the cake using the bottom part of the jug. Now, you can easily fit this makeshift container into your fridge, where fitting 3 separate plates would have been impossible. Additionally, your food is protected from any unwanted insects that might find their way into the fridge. Every dishwasher has a hidden function. I use it when the dishwasher is full and won't accommodate any more dishes. Everyone knows that the dishwasher won't function properly if you load it with large bowls or pots that block the blades. You also can't wash tall glasses that won't fit on the upper rack. You've surely faced this problem before. It's impossible to use the dishwasher in such cases. You end up taking out and rearranging dishes endlessly. But it turns out that the same dishwasher can accommodate all these dishes. Tall glasses can fit on the upper rack. Or you'll finally be able to place large dishes on the lower rack. How is this possible? The dishwasher has a certain hidden function. Few people use it. Some dishwasher users don't even know about it. Yet it's incredibly important for everyday dishwasher use. In every dishwasher, you can adjust the upper rack to 2 different heights. You can lower it or raise it. If you're loading tall dishes on the lower rack, then raise the upper rack. If you have tall glasses to wash, lower the upper rack. Some dishwashers have special buttons for this. In others, you just need to grab the upper rack when it's extended. Are you using this dishwasher function? Did you know about it? Your cutlery will look like new, clean, shiny, and stain-free without scrubbing or polishing. Prepare a glass baking dish and place the cutlery inside. Sprinkle 2 teaspoons of salt, followed by baking soda. Baking soda has excellent cleaning properties. Now, pour a little vinegar over the cutlery. The vinegar will make them even cleaner and shinier. But that's not all. Pour hot water over everything until the cutlery is fully submerged in the solution. Wait 15 minutes and let the ingredients work their magic. After that, take out the cutlery and see how amazingly it shines. This simple method restores the sparkle to your favorite forks, knives, and spoons. The results are truly spectacular. Just dry them off, and you're done. Try this method and see how easy it is to achieve spotless, gleaming cutlery. I wish I had known this trick earlier. Heat a knife over a gas stove for about 10 seconds. Cut through the middle of a Ziploc bag. This way, instead of one large bag, I got 2 smaller ones without having to buy new ones. Simple, quick, and practical. Hot dogs prepared this way can be harmful. Manufacturers don't mention this on the packaging. If you often eat hot dogs or serve them to children, pay close attention. Many people make this common mistake. We usually heat them in water, which seems simple, but there's one crucial detail. Hot dogs are made from mechanically separated meat, but not entirely. They also contain curing salt, nitrates, and nitrites, which means that heating them at too high a temperature can lead to the formation of carcinogenic compounds like nitrosamines. The water temperature when heating hot dogs should not exceed 130 degrees Celsius, 266 degrees Fahrenheit. Ideally, the water should never reach a boil. High temperatures can cause carcinogenic compounds to form. That's why hot dogs should not be fried or baked. High heat can be just as dangerous. If a hot dog starts to split, it means the substances inside are beginning to react. The safest way to heat hot dogs is in water at around 70 degrees Celsius, 158 degrees Fahrenheit. If using a microwave, less than 30 seconds is enough. Take 3 forks and place them in the frying pan. This trick was taught to me by a friend who is a chef. It will definitely make cooking easier. Take 3 forks out of the drawer. There must be exactly 3 of them. Arrange them in the pan. Do it like I did in the video. The fork should intersect in the middle of the pan. Next, place a small plate on top of them. The plate should not be larger than the pan. It should fit in the pan with some space left around it. Now pour some water into the pan. The water should cover the entire bottom of the pan. Place the dish you want to cook on the plate. Turn on the stove and cover the pan with a lid. With this simple method, you can quickly steam fish or vegetables. This simple trick makes it much easier and faster. The fish will be juicy and ready in just a few minutes, and you won't need any special steamers or pots. It turns out that regular forks are all you need to steam anything you want. All you need is aluminum foil in the dishwasher to avoid having to replace your appliance. Aluminum foil has many uses, not just for food packaging. It turns out it's also a great helper in tackling residue and dullness on dishes. Its anti-corrosive properties help restore shine, making glasses look like new. Just tear off a piece of foil, place it in the dishwasher basket, gently slipping it between the bars that hold the plates. Then, add your glasses and run the dishwasher as usual. Streaks, residue, and cloudy spots on glasses are common problems that ruin the clean effect. However, after the washing cycle is complete, you'll immediately notice the difference. The glasses will be spotless, streak-free, and their shine will truly dazzle. Instead of spending time polishing, the aluminum foil will do it for you. It's the cheapest way to achieve perfectly shiny glasses. Everyone will surely ask how you keep them in such great condition.